Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss new options of photo editing in the photo editor app. Now we will open the app, click on the photo option, select the desired photo you want to edit. Today I will select this photo because previous photo was not suitable for today's options which we will use today. So we have discussed many options in the previous videos. The last option we have discussed was the effect option. So we will discuss from the next option, which was beautify. So you can see there are 4 options in this tab. First one is retouch. Here you can increase the smoothness of your photo, brightness of your photo and sharpness of your photo, increase or decrease. With the help of this cursor, you can make it increase or decrease. Smoothness, brightness and sharpen, which you want to increase or decrease. As you can see, I am making it more brighter. This is the sharpen option. You can make your photo sharp from this option. Now apply it. Next option is face. Here you can make your different face parts thick and thin. As you are seeing, I am making different face parts thickening and thinning with the help of this cursor. You can do as you can or as you want. More options are also available. You can make your face different parts like face, eye, lips, nose, eyebrows. You can see I am making eye size increase and decrease, making lip size increase and decrease, nose size increase and decrease, and now eyebrow size thick and make its distance more or decrease it as you want. So there are many options to change facial expressions and different facial parts, make them better or as you want. Next option is blemishes. You can apply it at the desired place, as I am applying it. Tap where you want to blemish. And next option is reshape. You can change your photo's shape with the help of this option. As you can see, I am applying this. You can make it resize. And the last one is restore. So click on the tick to save changes. Next option is remove. Here you can remove the object or remove the background. As you can see, I am removing. You can adjust another setting. We will discuss this in another video, but there we will discuss remove object or recovery of object. You can see I am applying or making it remove or making it again back like this. You can make brush size and eraser size smaller and larger with the help of the bottom cursor. Now click on tick option to save changes. The next option is fit. In this option we have different options. You can see adding backgrounds to photos and make them more blur or less. You can add background photo from your gallery too. Custom option is also available. You can add custom photos in background and make them more visible or more setting you want to do. There are many other options of background available. You can see solid colors and gradient colors also available. 3D type backgrounds are also available. There are different type of gradients available. You can see this type of 3D type backgrounds are also available. You can also apply them. As I am applying different backgrounds. Many free backgrounds available and some are paid or in pro version. You can also purchase them if you want to purchase, but we will discuss free options in the video. You can add border also to your photo, as you are seeing. Add different colors to your border or make it thick or thin also with the help of this cursor. You can add different styles to the corners of your photo. They are almost free in this, and you can set your position of your photo from this cursor. So friend, video is getting lengthy. We will discuss next options in the next videos. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.